This actually might be the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. And no, I'm not talking about your looks. I'm talking about these views on this TikTok. Not just one, but all these videos have 1 million views plus after just 2 days. These videos are for the viewer to compete with a cartoon character in a quiz.
But since this niche is for kids, it won't work.
Then why did every single one of his videos have 1 million views? Not one, but multiple people are hopping on this money-making opportunity. Not to be rude, but Michael Jordan would be the best basketball player in the world if he said he could never do it. A person who never gives up can never lose. These videos force the viewer to watch the whole video and comment and engage as much as possible. And pretty much what this does is inform TikTok that these videos are absolutely gas and will push them out as much as possible. Oh yeah, and the best part, these are also eligible for the creativity fund, so every 1,000 views you get, you can get $1 up to $2.50. For those not as educated, for every 1 million views, that equals $1,000. Now when you guys are making your account, you guys want to do a few things. So the first thing you guys want to do is go to the search and type in brain rot quizzes, since that's our niche. And on every video you guys want to like, comment, and engage as much as possible to let TikTok know that when we post, that's the audience we're trying to reach. Now second, you guys don't want to change the profile picture or username when you make the account. Change it once you post a video, just trust me. And we're doing all this because you don't want to get shadow banned and get under 1,000 views when you first post. Now before we start, let me show you a video for a better understanding on what we're going to be creating.
Question 1. What's the occupation of the internet sensation known for saying, "Boy, it's just a barber"?
They're using a Peter Griffin voice and overlay that builds a connection with the viewer. This is a very good hook because they grew up watching them and is very close to their hearts. But I will spice it up by showing you how you can use any other character, not just Peter Griffin, so you are more unique and not just copying the other person. So let's get started and make the video. Step 1 is creating the voiceover. So I'm going to be showing you 2 ways you can get these voiceovers. The first way is using your brain and coming up with questions and answers, but I know my viewers work smart and use AI. So waste no time and copy the already viral TikTok. Next, head over to DupDup AI and make a free account. So once you're on this page, press AI transcription and paste the link we just copied. Then just press transcribe. Once done, you'll be presented with a script that's already guaranteed to go viral. Click copy text to copy the script. Now head over to ChatGPT and tell it to rewrite the script we just copied. And what you guys want to do is rewrite script the same way, but don't give me the options to the questions because ChatGPT messes it up. So once you guys type that out, you should get this. So just copy it. So now let's convert the script to any cartoon voice you guys want. Now you guys want to head to a site called Top Media AI. And once you get there, just sign up for a free account. So once you're on this page, you guys can click the person right here and go to animation, and you guys can choose any of these characters you guys want. And there's also like celebrities and like games and stuff like that. For this example, I'm going to choose Peter Griffin. Now what you guys want to do is paste the script we copied and just press addition. So once it's done, just press the download button. Step 2 is getting your background. What y'all want to do is go to YouTube and type in Minecraft parkour gameplay, no copyright. Just choose any of these videos. Next step is overlays. The 2 things we need is character and a timer overlay. You guys want to head over to YouTube again and type in timer green screen bar, press enter, and get one that already has a ticking noise. Next step is to get your character, so look up Peter Griffin PNG or whatever character you're using, press enter, just go to images and download any of these. The next step is editing. The editing app we're going to use is CapCut. And guys, and trust me, this will be the easiest edit you do. Just copy everything I do. Now go to CapCut and import everything you guys downloaded. So firstly, you guys need to add your Minecraft gameplay, then add your voiceover. Once you guys have everything in, make a split so your voice lines up with the gameplay. What you guys want to do is press ratio and make the ratio 9:16 and then just extend it like this. So now what you guys want to do is go to the voiceover, and every time it asks a question, make a split before the voiceover. Now what you guys want to do is drag in your bar timer and put it to the split, the first split where the voiceover is. And what you guys want to do to get rid of the green screen is go to cutout right here, go to chroma key, then color picker, select it, put the strength at 100 and the shadow at 100. And now what you guys want to do is press copy, paste, and to each split in the voice, just paste it in. At the split where the voice is, you guys want to copy the rest of the voices and drag it to the end. It will be stuck at the end of the timer, and just do that for each one. Now what you guys want to do is go to text, go to auto caption, go to generate. So once everything's in, put the text in the middle, go to font. I use steady and I do size 22. And what you guys can do also is go to animation, go to captions, scroll down until you see bounce
$19.
out. And I also like to go to text, stroke, and I like to put this at 35. Guys, actually for the auto caption text, make it Berlin Sands instead. Now what you guys want to do is go to add text, right like that, drag it to the first slot. And you guys also want to pick a good text for this, put it in the left corner. I like to use steady for this one, not for that auto captions. Now what you guys want to do is copy and paste this text 4 or 5 times depending how many questions you have. Alright, so mine was actually 6. So what you guys want to do is highlight all of these and put them to the way end. Now what you guys want to do is line all these up perfect to each other, as perfect as you can. Alright, and then you guys want to make the first 2 green, the second 2 orange, and the last 2 red. Then what you guys want to do is rename the green ones easy, the orange ones medium, and the red ones hard. Then after that, just reposition all of them. You guys also want to add the numbers before. And just highlight them all and just reposition it more in the corner or wherever you guys like. Now what you guys want to do is drag your cursor all the way to the bar, and on the first easy up top, what you guys want to do is make a split and type in the answer like that, and make sure they're all aligned as much as possible. Now what you guys want to do is add our character, drag him to the green bar, go to animation, and make sure you position him to the corner. Go to animation and look to slide right, just slide left, slide right.
Question.
And what you guys want to do is copy and paste this for every single one. Last step before downloading, what in my opinion just makes it a lot cleaner. And we have to do just this one, right here. Go to stroke and make it like 35, and it just makes it look a lot cleaner. Alright, so I bet you are wondering what the results look like. Just keep in mind this is a quick tutorial. You guys can make it so much better with more edits and sound effects.
Question 1. What's the occupation of the internet sensation known for saying, "Boy, it's just alcohol"? A barber. Brain rot quiz. Take this quiz and let's see if you're insane. Question 2. Fill in the blank. $19. Fortnite card. Send this to someone with too much brain rot. Question 3. What game did the word sus come from? Among Us. Hit like if you got the first 3 questions right. Question 4. Hold the comment button down and select one of the 4 emojis. If you picked crying emoji, you're cooked. If you haven't already, press the follow button for more daily quizzes. Question 5. What's the brain rot way to say no? Nah. Last one. If you get this one right, you're completely cooked. Fill in the blank. It's beginning to look a lot like Rismus.